Good morning, student. In the previous turn, we have seen that nitrogen fixation can be done by two ways. First is physical nitrogen fixation and or atmospheric nitrogen fixation, and secondly is biological nitrogen fixation. In the atmospheric nitrogen fixation, it is done through the help of lightning. In the previous turn, we are also learned. In this turn, we have to discuss about the biological nitrogen fixation, and it is the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen by nitrogen fixing microorganism. Some bacteria and blue-green algae are nitrogen fixing microorganism. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. For example, as you know and as you already studied in class 7, that Rhizobium is a symbiotic bacteria which lives in nodules of the root of the leguminous plants like peas and beans and fixes atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compound. After discussing the nitrogen fixation, you have to discuss that what is nitrogen cycle. Children, you all know our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas, and nitrogen is one of the essential constituent of living organism as a part of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. The atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. There are certain bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert into compounds of nitrogen. Once nitrogen is converted into usable compounds, it can be utilized by plants from the soil through their root system. Nitrogen is then used to synthesis of plant protein and other compounds. Animals feeding on the plants get these proteins and other nitrogen compounds. When plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogenous compound to be used by plants again. Certain other bacteria convert some part of them nitrogen gas which goes back to the atmosphere. As a result, percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. Together we have discussed through a flow chart of nitrogen cycle. You can see in this flow chart that atmospheric nitrogen in the atmosphere present in the nitrogen gas present in the atmosphere is percentage is 78%. And you all know that nitrogen fixation can be done by two ways. That is the atmospheric nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric nitrogen fixation held through the lightning, and these nitrogen gas directly convert into compounds of nitrogen in the soil. Next is biological nitrogen fixation, which can done by bacteria and blue-green algae. Nitrogen fixing bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen, and bacteria in turn nitrogen fixes into nitrogenous compound, and these compounds are further back to the soil. These compounds of nitrogen can be directly used by plants. Plants are eaten by animals, and when the animals die and when the animals excrete the death of the animal, these compounds of nitrogen again back to the soil. There are some denitrifying bacteria in the soil which converts these compounds of nitrogen to the free atmospheric nitrogen gas, and in this way the whole percentage of nitrogen remains constant, that is the 78%.